Good day. We are group 2. So for the topic that we had is sustainability in the shop and plant. For our introduction is first we have sustainability help reduce environmental impact and operational costs. And for the second bullet is focus on energy conservation, and the last one is waste management. This slide introduced the concept of sustainability, focusing on its dual benefit for the environment and businesses efficiency. For the core objective is first bullet is dual benefit. It is emphasized that sustainable practices reduce both environmental harm and operating expenses. For the second bullet is primary pillar. The strategy focus on two action areas. First is energy conservation, minimizing power usage. For the second one is waste management, handling materials responsibility to reduce trash. For the visual symbolism is the light bulb with a sprout represent green innovation. The idea that sustainable thinking leads to bright growth and oriented solution for the future that we have. And that's all. Thank you.
Why energy strategy effective? Strategy focused on reducing electricity use is effective because it creates both immediate and long-term benefits for an organization. First, it reduces electricity consumption, meaning less energy is waste. This improves overall efficiency and ensures that resources are used only only when needed. Second, it lowers operational costs. Wh- When less efficient electricity is consumed, utility bills decrease, allowing businesses or households to save money that can be used for other important needs. The third is it extends equipment lifespan. Electrical devices that are used efficiently and not overworked tend to experience less wear and tear, which means fewer repairs and replacement over time. And for and for the last is minimize carbon footprint. Using less electricity reduce the demand for power generation, which often release on fossil fuels. This help decrease greenhouse gas emission and support environment sustainability. Overall, this is strategy is effective because it combines cost saving, efficiency, durability, and environmental responsibility. Next reporter. Thank you.
Next naman is about waste management strategy. So basically, ang goal namin dito is to reduce uh, waste and make sure na maayos yung pag-handle ng materials sa shop. First is proper waste segregation. Ibig sabihin, hinihiwalay namin yung biodegradable at non-biodegradable na basura. Yung biodegradable, like food waste or organic materials, pwede siyang mabulok naturally. While yung non-biodegradable naman is like plastic and metal, kailangan siya i-handle ng maayos. Kasi hindi siya basta-basta nawawala. Second is yung recycling. Instead na itapon, agad yung materials tulad ng metal or plastics and papers, sinisave siya namin para ma-recycle ulit. This helps to reduce waste At the same time, nakakatulong din po ito sa environment. Third is reusing materials. Kung may mga gamit pa sa shop na pwede pang gamitin ulit, hindi namin ito tinatapon. For example, yung scrap materials or parts na okay pa, pwede pa siyang ma-repurpose for other uses. And lastly, importante din yung pagiging responsible sa pagtatapon ng waste. Making sure na nasa tamang lalagyan at hindi nakakalat. So overall, yung strategy namin is recycling, segregation, and reusing para mas maging efficient and eco-friendly yung operations namin.
Why waste strategy is effective? It helps reduce population in the environment, ensure materials are used wisely without being wasted, lowers the cost of disposing garbage, and keeps the workplace clean and well organized. So, ang epektibo ang waste strategy o tamang pamamahala ng basura sa isang shop o workplace, pinapakita nito na ang maayos na pag-handle ng basura ay may malaking benepisyo hindi lang sa kapaligiran kundi pati sa operasyon sa trabaho. Una, nakakatulong ito sa pagbawas ng ng pollution dahil ang basura ay hindi basta tinatapon kung saan-saan. Sa halip ito ay inaayos, nire-recycle o muling ginagamit kung maaari. Ikalawa, sinisiguro nito na ang mga materyales ay nagagamit ng wasto at hindi nasasayang kaya mas nagiging efficient ang paggamit ng source. Dahil dito nakakatulong din ito sa pagbabawas ng gastos, lalo na sa pagtatapon ng basura at pagbili ng mga bagong materyales. Bukod pa rito, pinapanatili ng waste strategy ang kalinisan at kaayusan ng workplace na mahalagang para sa kaligtasan at pagiging produktibo ng mga manggagawa. Sa kabuuan, ang tamang waste management ay isang mahalagang paraan upang maprotektahan ang kalinisan at makatipid sa gastos at mapanatili ang maayos na daloy ng trabaho.
Good day, my name is Isabelita Rachel Ansagan, and now we're going to application in shop or plant. Checking energy use daily to avoid waste, setting up proper areas for waste segregation, training workers to follow correct procedures, and maintaining equipment regularly to prevent unnecessary waste. Ang application po sa shop or plant ay mahalaga po siya para po maiwasan yung sobra or aksaya po. First po yung araw-araw na pag-check ng kuryente is mahalaga siya para maiwasan natin yung pagdaloy ng kuryente na hindi nagagamit. And then, para makalas rin sa bill ng kuryente. And then, syempre, para makaiwas rin sa mga pagsabog, mga ganong scenario. And second naman po is yung tamang pag-segregate ng basura para mas ayos po na tignan yung ating kapaligiran, and then at the same time is nakakatulong pa tayo sa pangalawa naman is yung tamang lugar para sa paghiwalay ng basura ay nakakatulong siya para mas maging malinis at maayos yung ating kapaligiran. Pangatlo, ang pagsasanay sa mga manggagawa ay nagbibigay ng tamang kaalaman kung paano sundin ang tamang proseso. Pang-apat, ang pag-maintain ng mga kagamitan sa shop or plant is nakakaiwas siya sa biglaang pagkasira. And kapag maayos ang lahat ng mga ito ay nagiging mas magaan ang trabaho sa shop or plant. Nakakatulong din ito para makatipid sa gastos dahil hindi nasasayang ang resources. Ang mga simpleng hakbang na ito ay nagdadala ng malaking epekto sa kalinisan at kaayusan. And bukod dito, mas nagiging ligtas ang lugar para sa mga manggagawa. In short po, ang tamang paggamit at pag-aalaga ng mga kagamitan ay susi sa maayos at matipid na operasyon. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
For our conclusion, it highlights the using proper strategies, improve efficiency and safety. It also helps save money and protect the environment. It also emphasizes that even small action can lead to big long-term positive effects. Sa kabuuan, makikita natin na kapag gumagamit tayo ng tamang strategy, marami tayong magandang benepisyo na pwedeng makuha. Una, mas nagiging efficient ang trabaho dahil mas mabilis at maayos ang proseso. Pangalawa, mas napapanatili ang safety ng bawat isa. Pangatlo, nakakatulong din ito para makatipid sa gastos at mas magamit ng tama ang budget. At higit sa lahat, nakakatulong tayo sa pagprotekta ng ating kalikasan o ng ating environment. Kaya, mahalagang tandaan na hindi kailangan laging malaki agad ang simula para magkaroon ng magandang epekto. Sabi nga natin, start small, think big. Ibig sabihin, kahit simpleng hakbang lang, basta ginagawa ng tama at tuloy-tuloy, pwede itong magdala ng malaking resulta sa future. So, always remember, every small action matters. Maraming salamat po.